Struggling with the slow, messy middle of your book? This is for you. You started strong. You knew how the story opened. You even knew how it ended. But every new scene feels forced, awkward, or wrong. What most authors miss is this. The middle is where books quietly fail. Not because readers notice it first, but because most writers get stuck here and never finish. One shift in how to approach this can save you months of work and protect your publishing income. Getting stuck halfway through a book does not mean you're a bad writer. It doesn't mean the idea was weak. It doesn't mean you lack discipline. It means you hit the part of writing that almost no one teaches. Most self-publishers learn how to start and end a book. Few learn how to move through the middle without burning out, doubting every choice, or abandoning the draft. That's why so many half-written manuscripts sit untouched on hard drives everywhere. Bad advice spreads fast because it sounds noble. You hear things like,
"The middle is supposed to hurt. Just push through,"
or
"Real writers suffer."
That advice sounds deep, but it costs authors time, energy, and money. Every stalled book is a missed release. Every missed release slows backlist growth. And without a growing backlist, ads stall, algorithms cool off, and income stays shaky. This is not a mindset issue. It's a system issue. The middle of a book is not a creative mystery. It's a series of decisions about pressure, pacing, tension, and expectation. When too many decisions stack up at once, the brain locks up. That freeze is not laziness, it's an overload. This is where AI becomes useful. Not as a storyteller, not as the boss of your book, but as a thinking partner. Here's how it usually happens. You're halfway through a draft. You know that ending. You know the emotional payoff or big reveal. But every route you imagine to get there feels dull or off. You open the document, you stare, you write a paragraph, you delete it. Days pass, then weeks. The book starts to feel heavy, so you avoid it. I've been there more times than I'd like to admit. And every time the fix was not motivation, it was structure. The biggest misunderstanding is thinking that an AI plot help means handing over your story. That's not how experienced authors use it. AI works best when it lowers mental load. It helps you see options, not choose for you. When I'm stuck, I already know key things. I know the genre. I know the promise to the reader. I know what must change by the end. What I don't know is which path gets me there cleanly. That's where AI helps. I never say, fix my plot. That gives away control and gets weak results. Instead, I explain the situation as I would to another writer. I share what has happened, what cannot happen yet, and what must be protected. Then I ask for possibilities, not answers. What I'm really doing is getting ideas out of my head and onto a page. Once they're visible, I can judge them calmly instead of emotionally. Stalled drafts aren't neutral. They drain energy you could use to market finished books or plan future releases. Momentum matters in self-publishing, and AI helps protect that momentum. Think about a romance story. The couples meet. The spark is there. You know they end up together. But the conflict feels thin. If you force it, the middle drags, and readers lose interest. Instead of guessing, you can ask AI for several conflict directions that fit the genre's rule. It doesn't decide for you. It shows you options. Often, the right fix is small, a shift in timing, more pressure, or clearer stakes. The same applies to fantasies, thrillers, and nonfictions. In nonfiction, the middle often stalls because ideas feel repetitive. AI can help reorganize points, suggest examples, or surface readers' questions. It can't shape your voice. That part is yours, but it can help you see gaps. Thinking like a publisher helps here. A publisher asks, what keeps readers turning the pages, not what feels clever to write today. Halfway through a book, doubt creeps in. You question the genre, the market, and whether the book will sell at all. That doubt often hides a simple craft issue. The story isn't broken. The path forward is unclear. Every unfinished book delays testing covers, blurbs, pricing, and ads. These aren't just creative choices. They're data. Without data, you guess. Guessing costs money. When AI helps you move forward sooner, you shorten the gap between idea and release. That gives you more chances to learn what works. Over time, that adds up. Another reason authors freeze is fear. They worry one wrong choice will ruin the book. That fear makes every decision feel risky. Drafts are allowed to be wrong. Systems fix that later. AI lowers the emotional weight of choice. When you see several paths, no single path feels fatal. You keep going. Using AI does not make your story less original. Originality comes from how you shape ideas with your voice and values. Genres run on patterns. Readers like patterns. They buy patterns. What separates forgettable books from strong ones is execution. And AI is good at patterns. You're good at meaning. AI can also help spot pacing issue. Many middles slow down because too much happened too safely. Stakes flatten. You can ask AI where tension drop based on what you've written. I also use AI to test reader reaction. I describe a section and ask how a typical genre reader might feel. If the response is bored or confused, I know where to focus. It's like early beta feedback, only faster. As a self-publisher, finished books that meet readers' expectations are your biggest leverage. Ads, email lists, and promotions all depend on that. The middle of the book is where craft meets income. Being stuck doesn't mean you fail. It means you need help with decisions, not more willpower. AI works because it supports thinking, not replaces it. Motion builds confidence. Confidence builds output. Output builds a backlist, and a backlist supports a steady income. You don't need to finish everything today. You just need a way to keep moving without burning out or abandoning good ideas. Using AI for plot help is not about shortcuts. It's about reducing friction in a process that already asks a lot from you. It will never replace your voice or intent. If you want to see how this fits into a real writing process, then watch this video where I show you how to use AI to write faster without sounding robotic. It shows you how to use AI inside your drafts while keeping your voice intact. Click on it now, and I'll see you there.